Well, hello, Alexis Love Beauties and Flawless Man. Welcome back to another grocery haul video. So we went to Walmart today, grocery shopping specifically for our live that we're doing. Hopefully you all are able to join us on Facebook Live. And don't worry, we're getting something together where we can go live on YouTube also one day. But for now, we're going live today on Facebook at 4:45. We're making a salmon bowl and homemade lemonade. So I had to go and get the things for that. That's why you see our material in the back. So let's just go over some of the things that we got really quick because we have to get ready for the live. So down here I have some limes for the cilantro lime rice. I have avocado, tomato, that is for the bowl also, and then I have lemons for the homemade lemonade. I do not care for sugar at all. If I use sugar, it's more for like a body scrub or something like that. But I got this big bag of organic sugar because I never know, sometimes I like a little sweetness. So I was like, hey, instead of me getting a regular sugar, even though it's just going to be for a quick meal, let me go ahead and get something more a healthier alternative. That way you never know. So but I know I probably ain't gonna be using that on my skin, but because this cane sugar is more of like fine sugar. It's not so coarse like a regular sugar, and it's not that sweet. So I think that's a part of what probably makes that organic. So I doubt if I use that on my skin, but I have it just in case I need it. It might be in here for years. This is a lettuce head. I wanted to do some lettuce in the bowl. I thought about that last minute. And with lettuce, it's just sometimes I'm real picky with that, but sometimes I don't mind going to go get a good brand of lettuce. So this is what that was. The butterhead lettuce is beautiful. And then we have our baking soda to clean with. And then we have the little cucumbers back here. I love, getting my foods like smaller because I feel like it's more organic, it's more natural, what it's supposed to be, because our food shouldn't be like 10 times the size. So now when I get cucumbers, sometimes I still get the regular size, but for the most part I go for the smaller. And I remember Dr. Sebi talking about that as well, like our food shouldn't be 10 times bigger because that means it has like a lot of more hormones and different things. So studying with him, I'm just like, hey, let me get the smaller things because it do look crazy out here how big that food is. Y'all already know. Twin, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody don't love me like you. Hey, that's my boo. Can't even be. Every time you look me in my eyes, I'm hey. Now listen, let me tell you, I want to do something different with the prune juice. I'm gonna give y'all an honest review to let y'all know, just in case you were interested in trying prune juice. Because one of these days you're gonna be like, let me go get some of that prune juice, man. What is this girl talking about? One of these days. But I wanted to try something different because it is thick. It's good on its own. Now, don't get me wrong. Please don't ever get that misconstrued. Before you even try mixing anything, just try it regular. Try it regular. You're going to love it. But for me, I wanted to try something different and like mix it with a fruit juice. And that way, I just wanted a different flavor with it because when I pour prune juice over my fruit, oh my God, it is too good. So I was like, well, how about I just get like a concentrate of a fruit drink and mix it with the prune juice. Now it was hard coming by some real pineapple juice in Walmart, which I don't like because that is from concentrate. It got a little bit of sugar in there. This time I'll rock with it, but if I ever want to mix again another fruit juice, I am going to make sure that I get a real fruit juice. And if somebody don't have it, then I don't want it, because usually when they say with added vitamin C, they're talking about ascorbic acid, which is a form of vitamin C, but it's not real vitamin C. We can get into some labels and things on a different day, but if it say with added vitamin C, then that means whatever fruit you extracted this from, it didn't have the vitamin C, so you added something. And then from concentrate typically is not meaning that they just extracted a pineapple and put it in this bottle. It's just a whole nother other process going on. So I'm not gonna mix that whole thing with this. But yeah, y'all be like, oh my God, she just don't even make us want to eat food no more. Listen, we got to learn about this stuff. But yeah, I'm a rock with them this time. So basically I just be kind of like mixing that, seeing what kind of flavor I get. I love the Skinny Girl ranches. Sugar-free, fat-free. I do enjoy this, and it comes in that glass. Now, y'all know we've been talking about glass. I got a good glass collection, honey. Let me just show y'all some things I recently been working on. Because I'm telling y'all, I'm going all glass. Get me a little drink from the dollar store, boom, glass. And how you get that paper off is after you keep washing it, the paper just going to come off. Look at that. A perfectly nice glass that I'm about to use for my lemonade. This had my beetroot juice in there. I'm keeping all the glass. I'm not a plastic girl. I'm starting to recycle glass. This right here, an amber glass bottle, gorgeous. Now if you see something in amber glass, you need to get that, because amber glass is a protective glass. So this would typically anything that's in amber is going to be real, typically, because usually the amber glass is fighting off the like the sun and the additional radiation, which can get into the product and take away some of the benefits of it. So if you see something in amber, 100% of the time, that means that whatever is in there is potent and it's protected. It will not lose its nutrition. So, and look, it got this cute little heart at the bottom. So cute. So yeah, that's just a little bit of some stuff I've been saving for glass. Now I got some mint for the lemonade, and y'all, I ain't never really looked up mint or nothing, so I ain't really know nothing about it, but I do know it is refreshing. So I'm sitting here like, okay, Lord, we finna go live. I don't even know how I'm about to explain to them like what the heck this is or what this is used for. I have never researched this before, but I do like it. I do use it, and this is what the Lord's telling me. I'm gonna tell y'all what he said. I'm in the kitchen, I was taking the stuff out the bags, and all I heard is mint is used for the mint is used for, Jesus, don't do that. No, for real. Like the Lord has told me that the mint is used for, it's refreshing herb. So this is a refreshing herb. Thank you, Jesus. So typically, the things that we drink, like we never seem like our quench is thirst. Our thirst is quenched. And so it'd be like, dang, I need some more pop, or I need to drink some more water. But see, when you add that mint into your drinks, this is really what quenches your thirst. This is what gives that refreshing taste. So I'm telling y'all what I heard. Mint is for refreshment. It's a refreshment, and this is what helps to curb your appetite. And also, again, this is what really quenches the thirst. So this is always good to just have in general. This is why you see people like mint water, cucumber, mint water, lemon water. I got 2 of them because I haven't used it in a while. But yeah, that's the wisdom that the Lord gave me, that this is a refreshing herb. This is the herb that quenches the thirst. And then I got some fresh cilantro, because this is going to be for my cilantro lime rice. Coconut flour. Y'all know we use coconut flour. Got this from the dollar store because I'm going to be frying things. And then I had got this coconut just from Walmart. I have drunk coconut a few times. My niece loves these. They are very bitter, but my niece do love these. And again, this is one of those like hydrating fruits or vegetables, as you call it, because coconut quenches the thirst as well. Coconut is used for so many different things. This is a beautiful fruit or vegetable. And then also when you can cut this open, you can eat the flesh of it. But I was told, my sister taught me how to open it, poke the 3 holes, and that's how you get the water out. So I would just be drinking this on live today. I'm going to open that up. Then I have all of these coconut oils down here because I use the one coconut for my toothpaste, coconut and baking powder, then maybe a mouthwash, and then like skincare, and then I use some to cook with. So I usually get like 2 for personal, 2 for cooking, and then just some herbs, garlic, onion, red pepper, and parsley. And then I got a red onion as well for our dinner tonight. And this is something new that I'm trying. Flaxseed, chia seed, and hemp seed. Flaxseed is usually what I use. I usually get the ground kind. That's that bigger seed that you see in there. That brown one is the flaxseed, and that flaxseed is good for fiber. This is what helped me go to the restroom also. So this is really good for digestive health in general. Chia seeds, chia seeds is another very powerful seed, but I don't use them a lot. I just don't buy chia seeds. Chia is going to be this small, like little, kind of like the black thing. Like the big brown one is the flax, and then the other little small brown one is the chia. Hemp seed is going to be like the light ones, like that little piece right there is going to be a hemp seed. The reason why I got this mix is because I learned that hemp seed is good for protein. So it's really, really good for protein. So like people that don't eat meat and stuff, they use more of the hemp seed because this gives them that protein. This is their replacement for meat. And like I said, this is good for digesting. This is good for protein. Chia seed really don't have too much wisdom on that. I think it has some of those benefits as well, like fiber, but I'm not 100% into the chia seed because I don't really use them like that. But I said, hey, how about we get a mix? Y'all all have fiber, protein, so they're pretty much one of the same, but your small things, like your small seeds, is where you get a lot of power from. So that is the lineup that I have, but that is all. And then I still have the seaweed back here. The seaweed is going to go in our bowl also, but y'all, I'm about to get ready to let y'all go so we can go ahead and get on this live video. I hope to see y'all over there. I don't know if we're going to post this grocery haul after the live video or before, but y'all know I'm going to come back and show y'all the food and everything like that. But y'all got to come in because we about to be fooling on live. Thank you for another grocery haul video. I encourage you to try something new that you see here today or that you see anywhere on the channel. Try something new. Do something different. And if you're interested in trying something new, I'm gonna need you to try that prune juice first. Mwah.